If you're interested in restoring vintage sewing machines, you're likely to have heard of Howard's Restor Finish, the miracle furniture restorer. But how good is it really? Keep watching and we'll find out. Howard's Restor Finish is a popular product in the States for quickly and easily refinishing wooden furniture, so it's ideal for vintage sewing machine cases and tables. Sadly, this product is not marketed in the UK. However, we did manage to find a supplier online, for a price. This 1 pint or 16 fluid ounce tin costs £25, so it better be good. This video is not sponsored and I can give you my honest opinion of the product. You're going to need some soft lint-free cloth, an old t-shirt is ideal, some fine grade wire wool, some protective gloves and ideally old clothes or a disposable apron. Shake the can well to make sure that the pigment that may settle at the bottom is well mixed in. Apply the product to the cloth, not directly onto the wood. And wipe across the surface, ideally in the direction of the grain of the wood. Restor Finish comes in several colours to which you can match to your wood. We bought walnut, but it can be used on other woods as well. The stain is only light. The product contains a special blend of solvents, oils and stain that penetrate and evens out the finish while covering minor blemishes and scratches. It claims to remove watermarks and heat rings from hot cups. This particular case isn't too badly damaged, but it is dry, dirty and has a few scratches. It's safe to use over the Singer decal on this case. For any stubborn marks, apply the Restor Finish with fine wire wool. This will help to get the product deep into the wood's grain. Wipe off any excess with a cloth. Allow to cure for 30 minutes and repeat if necessary. It's done a pretty good job on this Bentwood case. Let's see how it performs on this one, which is in a much worse state. As you can see, it's dry, suffered quite severe water damage, and in some places the finish has gone completely. I don't really expect this to turn out perfect, especially where the finish is badly damaged. In this case I'm applying Restor Finish with fine wire wool. You can see right away the difference it's making. Any stubborn marks get a second treatment and even a third application if necessary. The results are pretty good. It's not perfect, but then I never expected it to be a perfect finish on the worst case. I'll wait for a couple of days for the Restorer finish to cure and then give the cases a coat of clear furniture wax to protect and create a shine on the finish. It's certainly a good product to quickly spruce up an old Bentwood case or a treadle table. If you want a perfect finish, then stripping and refinishing really is the only option. Check out some of my other videos on refinishing. The links will appear at the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching.